Yo, jalan, jalan. Ayo, jalan, jalan, jalan. Halo, sekarang kita ada di
kita berada di Palembang Indah Plaza.
One. Okay, bye.
Pak Freddy soalnya
Alisa. Betul ya? Oke. Yo, jalan, jalan. Ayo, jalan, jalan, jalan.
Tembakan dia, ya ampun. Halo Pak Yes.
udah makan ini benda.
Ira teh curiga.
That was just 2 months ago. This explains the handcuffs. It's still not clear why he's here. If we want to bring the world back from the brink, we have to deal with him. Should he choose to accept? Smart people in every cell.